Bidnamic works alongside Performance Max, helping your shopping ads outrank your competitors. In this video, I'll talk you through how we migrate your Performance Max campaigns to integrate with Bidnamic's technology, so you can take back control of your Google Shopping data. First, we begin by identifying revenue-driving products versus products with low visibility. This is often very skewed. We often see that 90% of revenue comes from the top 10% of products. We then transition the worst performers and low visibility products to build up valuable search term data over a few weeks and months. This ensures that the majority of revenue remains steady, whilst growing the opportunity on the vast majority of the inventory left behind until now. Our machine learning solution then begins to work to achieve the target return on ad spend by calculating appropriate bids for each product and search term. As more products and revenue are driven through Bidnamic campaigns, the value of Performance Max reduces and you take back control of your Google Shopping campaigns.